Hello everybody, my name is Allegra Eusebio. I am a PhD candidate of the Urban and Regional Development Program of the Politecnico and Università di Torino, and in this short video I will give a brief overview of my research work and development. The research I am conducting is framed in the wide discourse about risk mitigation and the integration between pre-disaster system planning, emergency management, and ordinary planning. The primary objective regards the definition of methods of integration of civil protection emergency planning into ordinary and territorial government in order to promote increasingly risk-resistant planning. The general research question I'm asking is how can civil protection emergency planning be integrated into ordinary urban and territorial government in order to foster and promote increasingly risk-resistant planning? I decided to split the question into two. One more related to the topic of planning and the other one more related to the topic of risk. As for the first, I will investigate on the structural elements of civil protection emergency plans that can provide useful elements for ordinary planning, questioning the role and the efficacy of the limit emergency condition in fulfilling this role. After that, I will focus the attention on the topic of risk, questioning the validity of the limit emergency condition in a multi-hazard context, including both consolidated and climate change-related risks. Can the limit emergency condition become a multi-hazard instrument of civil protection emergency planning, also valid for the new criticalities induced by climate change? And also, how can I turn data into information to build risk scenarios of climate change-induced phenomena that can be useful for validating the information of the civil protection plans? To answer this question, theoretical study will be coupled with applicative experience. At this stage of the research, I am in fact conducting my period of fieldwork that consists in the participation in the process of preparation of the National Civil Protection Exercise regarding the simulation of a seismic event and a tsunami in the Strait of Messina. My objective for this step is to understand how civil protection plans are practically implemented, as well as their relation with the stakeholders involved in the process and other instruments of ordinary territorial planning.